Last year, we raised more than $20,000 to support student success and help them face challenges that go far beyond tuition, like food and housing insecurity or unexpected emergencies that threaten their ability to stay enrolled. This year, your support is even more important as we work to increase our retention efforts. We know what students need to keep moving forward, but the resources aren't always there. Your gift today can provide the critical support students need to overcome barriers to their education.
Life had gotten in the way of my degree. When I returned to college and transferred to Guttman, I needed all-around support to build my confidence back up.
Every student faces challenges on their academic journey. At Guttman, we make sure they never face those challenges alone.
I can't explain how much opportunity was waiting for me when I walked in the doors to Guttman. From the first day, I received one-on-one support from my advisor and transfer specialist. It was truly life-changing.
This Giving Tuesday, help us provide the transformational services that make Guttman special. Make a gift today.